In this video, I will show you how to delete your Vantage account. In the bottom right corner, click the chat icon. Then select New Conversation. In the chat, type a message saying that you want to delete your account. The support bot will ask whether you want to close your full Vantage account or only a trading account. Select the option to delete your Vantage account. The system will send you a link to the account closure form. Click the link and it will open in a new tab. Now fill out the form. You need to enter your full name, your email address, and your MT4 or MT5 account number. You can find your account number in the Account section of your dashboard. Add your reason for closing the account and any additional comments if you want to. You also need to tick the confirmation box stating that you have closed all open positions and withdrawn all funds. After that, click Submit. Vantage will process your request and close your account. That's how you delete your Vantage account. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.